Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KP Lovely, and today, as you read by the title, I'll be using a co-wash for the first time. So if you like to see my thoughts on it, just keep on watching. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now let's hop into this video. Okay, you guys, so starting off with this video, I'll be using the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash. All right, and it said it's for hair types 3 and 4. That's what it's catered for. And excuse me if I'm slurring a little bit because my wisdom teeth is coming in, and I would say the pain right now is like a 4 because it had been getting better throughout the days, but I want to still come on camera and try to record for y'all. So I bought this yesterday. This is my first time ever using a co-wash on my hair, first time. But I have used As I Am products. I love the pomegranate one. If not, I'll have it on the screen which collection I like. But it smells like pomegranates to me, so I think it calls a pomegranate collection. So I already pre-sectioned my hair, and I'm gonna start off with this section right here. It already been drenched down with water and stuff. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. It's very like a creamy type of paste. Like, I don't know how to really describe it, but I'm like a milky type of stringy paste. I'll put that throughout this whole section. Okay, and if y'all didn't know what a co-wash is basically a fancy term of conditioner, and you basically cleansing your hair with a conditioning based type of product. Instead of the stripping agent of a shampoo, you just basically conditioning. But this is not a replacement for shampoo. I want y'all to understand that because your hair do need to be clarified, okay? But if you choose to sit there and use a co-wash, going right on ahead. But I recommend that you at least try to incorporate a shampoo at least once a month if that's what you want to do. But it's good to use co-washes for like, say like you had a style and for like 3 days and you really didn't use that much product, then co-wash your hair, and you know your hair is not that dirty. So you don't keep on like overly stripping your hair, you know? But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to work this and detangle my hair, which actually is very easy. Got a good slip. I like this. I'm gonna go in with my Tangle Teaser that y'all have pretty much seen throughout my whole entire channel. And I'm gonna start off with at the end, try to tangle my hair. And this, I just feel like this is the best way to do it. I'm gonna detangle it, 2-strand twist it, and then if I need to scrub more in my scalp, just get some of the buildup, I'm gonna do it in the twist so it's already pre-detangled, you know what I'm saying? But this have very good slip, you guys, very good slip. I can't say that because my hair is detangling very easily. feel very moisturized, you guys. So I'm going in now and start trying to gently get the build up while I put a little bit more on my hands and put it around the perimeter. Work that in. Now I'm gonna do that for each section, and I'll come back when I get to one of the top sections. All right. Okay, you guys, so I'm at the final section, and let me tell y'all, working this throughout my hair was like butter. It's almost like my the TGIN daily moisturizer that I love. I cannot get enough of that. That's the same consistency that it reminds me of. And y'all, if I don't use this as a cold wash, I'll use this definitely as a pre-poo, because the slip is amazing. Amazing. Like, tangles, who? No, I'm not gonna be detangling forever. No more. Not with this. Like, if they conditioner in this line is like this, I need to go ahead and get that. Because I like the pomegranate one, but it don't have that much slip like this cold wash do. Like, it's ridiculous. And these are in thick sections, y'all. I am just messing up on my words. I'm so sorry. I told y'all this wisdom teeth is giving me hell. Okay. And I had already massaged the product on my scalp, especially in the front. I had did section by section and really scrub it in, so I know that I got all the product. Cause that's what mainly all of my hair was like slicked down. If y'all watched my video from last week, I'll have that right here, or also in the iCards if I can remember to do that. Sorry about that, y'all. I had got a phone call from my mom, and all I was sitting there saying is that's just the hairstyle that I just came out of, if you didn't watch that video. But I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for like probably like 5 or so, 10 minutes. Rinse it out. If I need to deep condition, I'm gonna do that off camera. Then I'll be back with my final thoughts on this product. But I think y'all already know what my final thoughts gonna be. Bye, see you then, guys. So here's my final thoughts on the As I Am Restore and Repair Cold Wash right here. Ooh. So the pros, it had good slip, it cleansed my hair, it was very moisturizing. I will repurchase again. The only con that I had is the packaging is really pretty and nice, but y'all see this little gold stuff? You can see it in the red, right? But over here in this brown tannish color, it is very hard. Like, I had to have it at a certain angle, at a light, just to read it. And I want to be able to read what ingredients are in my product without having to look it up on a different site or something like that. Like, if I'm in stores and it's on the product, let me read it. Like, that's all I would like. But other than that, I was still gonna repurchase, like I said, and that's all I can say about it. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, I would love to hear what you had to say about the process. So go ahead and comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And also the little bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.